Hello viewers, welcome to Shipon's Diary. A cup of coffee on my beautiful desk along with my Samsung S20 Plus. Life is beautiful, isn't it? But what if I tell you that everything you see in this video is basically an edited art? On this video I am going to discuss how to put a background on a vertical video easily. First of all, everything we need on this process is basically two apps. They are Kinemaster and Picsart. So first let's go to Google and search for flat disk. You can easily find several images. Just select any one of them and download them. Then search for your favorite phone's PNG image. Just download any one of them. I've already downloaded both of them, so I'll go to Picsart now. And here I have to select a portion in the middle to basically paste the phone. So now I have selected the portion properly. So this is it. I have to cut this part. Press cut and then press tick. So now I am gonna do is paste the PNG file of the phone. After pasting the PNG file, just confirm it, align it on the middle, and then save the image on your phone. So now is the next step. I'll go to Kinemaster app, which I've already linked in the description. Now in the app I will open a random video of my screen which I've captured a little while ago. Now let's open it and select aspect ratio 16:9. After confirming it, the app takes a little while to open. So when it opens, you get this kind of interface. So let's select the video, and after selecting, you have to go to layer and add the image that I have saved before. So after adding the image, you will see that you can see the video through the peak of the PNG file. Now just adjust the size of the picture. I am adjusting it. So set it basically in the middle position and just zoom it. Here, I think it's almost perfect. Now what I am gonna do is basically readjust it. So after all the processing, what I am gonna do is go to the zoom spanning and move the image, basically move the video little upwards or downwards to set it properly and to make it authentic. So as I have done it, I am moving the video, and basically here is it. Now I am going to align the settings part. Now after all the processing is done, I have already saved the video on my gallery. So this is how you add a background. Thanks for watching.